have a perfect alternative. In some conditions, we need to go outside, we need to have food, and for that, they don't have any alternative. They say that they go to hotels because they are certified, then they say no, don't go to hotels also because they can also use unhygienic food. And they don't have a perfect alternative because every time,
Look, when you are...
Many person pretended that they have no times. Sir, they are actually tell a lie because everyone has time.
Laborers are cooking their food at 5 a.m. If you go on a morning walk, you can see that. And in the night also, they are the one who is actually making every labor. They are in a group. They are actually in a group. There is no roadside hotel. They are preparing. They are making
Healthy brain, live in healthy body. If you are not healthy, if you are not eat healthy, if you are not healthy, you are not doing preparation. You are going outside and you eat unhealthy food.
What happened, sir? Listen, please take this. Sir, what is going on? Sir, someone is ऐसे वो yeah पराठा उठाया ऐसे किया. What is going on? And someone is ऐसे like this and sir, but our ammis say always, sir, बेटा बाहर का मत खाना. Why are saying that? Why are saying that?
I am outside, so you have your phones. You can use that and book your foods at best restaurant, best hotel from there.
Again
No,
restaurant.
I'm saying the cloud, the application they are providing meals from so many the certified. Yeah.
Arey, what is the difference between if the food is coming from a cloud kitchen? What is the difference if the food is coming from a cloud kitchen from Zomato and it is coming from the street? So tell me one thing. What is the difference? It is the same thing.
Just a minute.
You are not making the food.
Let me complete.
Exactly.
You said about that how to trust
You
that.
are not clear that you are supporting restaurants or not.
That's
you are
your-
yourself confused.
This is your opinion, not mine. I'm just giving the example what you said about that.
Okay.
I just giving my, like whenever you purchase anything from the e-commerce application, you saw the so many people's review there. Whenever you purchase any from the cloud kitchen, you definitely think about that, what the kind of the item they are offering. People are satisfied or not. Basis of that you can judge.
People are
But
satisfied from street food also.
no. Who can provide the feedback? If I am new from, let's suppose I am here. Oh, you will provide the feedback. How can trust you?
Hello, sir.
How can trust you?
Sir.
How can trust you?
Sir.
Is there anybody who can, by that I can
Hello.
say that I am
Sir,
trust?
Salman sir, please listen to me.
Okay.
You are saying that search on Zomato and like other apps. But what about my parents? They are not know how to order food from Zomato.
The thing is that street food is also now affiliated with Zomato and Swiggy.
Yeah.
They are just
They are affiliated. Okay, they are affiliated.
What about that person who are not using Zomato and Swiggy and they don't know about that? What about that
I
person?
saw so many. I travel a lot, and during the.
You travel, but
I'm just giving them. Please listen. Please at least listen them.
okay.
So many parents are carrying their foods because they are concerned about the health. That's why. So, like,
For
if
how
you are,
many days? For how many days?
sorry,
If we are going for 1 week, so how much food we can carry with
you
us?
cannot carry, but there are so many alternatives you can.
What are the alternatives?
what they want to know. What
Yeah, that's why I'm giving the answer. Nobody wants to listen.
look. When you are going to outside for a
going wrong? You guys are not able to understand.
no I
आप लोग घुमा फिरा के होटल पे आ जाते हैं।
नहीं, नहीं।
उसके बाद से स्विगी
Ma'am,
पे आ जाते हैं।
ma'am,
Completely.
no.
I have. Sir,
My concern here is that
While going to Nainital, if you are going to a hill station and all, there are not street food. There are also homestays. There are also the people who are actually calculating how many peoples are there and how much the street parathas and all, and they are preparing according to the number of people who are there.
what about the MP and Kerala and
Everywhere you can find that.
there are not any cloud kitchen and
Homestays.
you can find home food in Mumbai.
Everybody from this group, is there anybody who can take at 2 minutes, 5 minutes, even 1 hour? But tell the best alternative, just it.
Sir, also I
The
have
best
question
alternative.
against them.
The best alternative. While traveling, The best alternative.
Just one definition I just want. Please. Just one definition I want. What the mean of the best alternative? First need to be clarified. Basis on that, I will answer you.
Okay.
But the meaning of the best alternative means what?
What is the meaning? What is the definition of alternative you want?
So, first of all, I'm questioning to you why we are asking for alternative. We are living on a hostel and PG. Okay, but what about those people who are just sleeping on road and doing whole day like labor work? What about those people where they can eat? That's why we are asking for alternative, because they can't afford a hotel and they have no home. They are just sleeping at roadside
Have you seen the pathways besides Charbagh and Munshi Pulia? The people are preparing their food. Besides, they are preparing. But they are not earning that much that can afford the street food.
But
If you think that street
But
food
not
is
every,
5 rupees,
but not every laborer
every
cooking
labor
food.
is cooking at
Not
5 a.m. in the morning. Please wake up early in the morning. And
We are
Yeah.
early in the
Yeah,
morning
at 5 a.m.
We are also seeing what
At 5 a.m. early in the morning, they are preparing their chapatis and rice. At 9 p.m. in the evening, they are preparing. Actually, laborers are the one who are actually
I'm worried about hilly area traveling. You raise the point of footpath here.
and they are the one who are actually preparing the food. And you should ma'am, you should learn from them that they are after having so much hard work.
Wives are doing. They are not doing.
They are doing. Laborers are there. Wives are doing. Everyone is having wives. So be clear on that. Laborers are cooking their food at 5 a.m. If you go on a morning walk, you can see that. And in the night also, they are the one who is actually making every labor. They are in a group. They are actually in a group. Yes. There is no roadside hotel. They are preparing. They are making small chulas.
Ma'am, not every liver making a food. Not every liver, ma'am. Not every liver have a time, ma'am. Not every liver have a
One time you were saying,
Yes, ma'am.
look,
Exception is everywhere, I know that. Yes. Everyone.
sir, one time he's saying that the 3 times meal is cost 300 rupees.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, 100 rupees. That is 3,000 rupees. Do you think that labor can afford 3,000 rupees on his eating?
I will tell you a student life really. We are spending only 4,000 rupees per month with food on the street.
So that's why you are actually,
We are
look,
with rent. With rent. And
you
we
are not giving justice to your body, sir.
And
If you
Khadija-
are,
Sir,
Yes, brother.
so
you
sir,
have to
please
tell.
cooperate with me.
Yes,
sir, okay.
Cooperate with you.
And you know that we are living in digital area, digital India. You know that digital India.
Yes.
And anybody, in nowadays, so many people are using mobile phones, and even anybody is aware. Anybody aware about everybody aware. Listen to me. So please bear my points. If you not bear, so please. So listen to me.
Please be continuous.
So bear my points, sir. Sir, our ammis say always, sir, beta bahar ka mat khana. Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that?
And you are disrespecting
Yeah, you're disrespecting, you're not obeying your mothers. Shame on you.
You
Oh
are
my goodness, so listen to
disrespecting every vendor.
Oh, sir, listen to me, please. Let me complete. Let me complete my words. Sir, you're not capability to listen my words, sir, please. Sir, let me clear what is going on the. Sir, listen to me, sir, please listen to me. Why you not listening my points? Sir, you have to listen my points. So, sir, listen to me. Sir, please bear my points. If you not bearing my words, so please, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Please come with me and
Come with me.
and go and see so many vendors are who are preparing food. And sir, what happening, sir? Listen, please take this. Sir, what is going on? Sir, someone is ऐसे go. Yeah, paratha उठाया ऐसे किया what is going on and someone is ऐसे like this and sir what is going on there is no hygienic sir and also sir they are making food their own sir and sir what is that? You know that what is the reality? What is the reality of the vendors? And even if you know, if you are preparing, prefer your death, then you will take. And you know that. And Pani Puri is what is going on? Yeah. So many vendors are.
That is not good for us, right?
Sujit, most of the time
You are disrespecting vendors.
vendors and you are support unemployment of India.
No, sir. Sir,
You are not
vendors are
Indian.
good. Sir, listen to me. What
you are not
am I
true
want to
Indian.
say? Sir, please listen to my words. Sir, they are opening their stall and how called like any type of thela.
through the
They are
street.
doing good. But please maintain the criteria and the quality. Sir, if you want to take quantities, then you will take. And if you are not worried about your health, then you will take. And my point is, they are opening and they are selling. That is good, but maintain the quantity and sir, hygienic and the way of
Tell about hilly area and travel.
hilly
area and
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. We are living in digital India, and everyone is have mobile and using mobile, and you know that if you are sir Zomato, Swiggy, so many sir options are there. Then you are ordering. Then you will prepare which type of and which hotel is suitable for me and this is hygienic for me. Then you will choose. There is an option in the Swiggy. Then you will choose.
What about your father? Your father going
My father no.
every time
My
in
father no.
Kedarnath and many places.
Please, why not?
Sir, there is an option in the Swiggy.
Option.
Which type of option and
Option is for homemade food as well. Option is for homemade food as well. Option is for hotel as well. He will choose his own option. He will not choose the street food. He will not choose the street food.
Brother,
yeah.
your mother is like my mother.
Yeah, of
your
course, why
mother
not?
is going anytime in Kedarnath and anywhere, any religious place. And which mobile she have used?
Sir. We are-
Sir, you are talking about, sir, excuse me, listen, sir. Sir, if you are talking about any family member will go for the, yes, if you are talking about any,
It's a conditional.
Sir, in Delhi, there are so many tourists are come only for the street food. They are come here. They not go in a hotel to taste. They don't go in a hotel to taste the food. They are go for the street food and taste like golgappe and all other things.
She said street food attract foreigner, but sir they are come and they eat, but they are not eat every day. And they people said we are a bachelor, we are doing job, so we have no time to cook, and we are eating every day.
Right. In Delhi, there are so many children are preparing for the UPSC exams. They don't have a time for cook their foods. Okay, so for this, they are going on a street food and eat a healthy food.
And you know, healthy brain live in healthy body. If you are not healthy, if you are not eat healthy, if you are not healthy, you are not doing
preparation. You are going outside and you eat unhealthy food.
So many people go to Delhi for the preparation of UPSC and after a few days they come back. Because of this reason. That is the reason actually. And very soon they will also go from here, from Lucknow actually, right? From Lucknow they will go there.
Sir, there are many students are absent because of the street food. Yesterday there are many people there is eat street food.
No, sir.
15 years exactly.
Yeah.
If you call somebody, they will say that I'm suffering from loose motion.
Yeah.
So you can call somebody.
Sir, this is depend on you. If you want to eat a healthy food, then the vendors are also selling a healthy food.
Yeah, they attract dust, fly, and unhygienic, and it makes
Oh, right.
it create many type of disease, and it has slow poison, you know.
If I am supporting street food, then I am eating street food whole day.
You say
You all, that mean, na? It's not that mean, man.
you are not
If I am supporting street food, it's not mean that I am eating street food whole day.
You're sensible enough.
Yeah.
If I am aware about,
You are saying, nah, I'm not cook food and I have no time, so I eat street food. And if you adapt, why you are eat street food?
I'm not saying that
are
I
not-
eat street food whole day.
You,
I am supporting street food. It
What
mean
you
not
eat
mean, it's
whole
not
day?
that mean that I am eating whole day. And
What
I am
you
that
eat
much
whole day?
aware about street food ki what should I eat on street or not.
so what
People
you
have
eat?
their own awareness. If you are eating at your home and if you are eating unhealthy extremely at your home, it affects your body.
Listen,
If I am eating made puri every day at my home, it affects my liver. And one survey says it's not about street food.
So,
One
listen.
survey says even water and air affect our liver, not street food also.
listen. You are saying you are not eating whole day street food. What you eat whole day? You said, nahin.
Whole day, man.
Sir, he said na ki he have so time. He have no time
He's
to
trying to
cook.
say once in a blue moon, maybe.
He eat
Maybe
once
once in a
time.
week.
Yeah, he have no time to cook. What he eat?
You all are only focusing on me.
You
What about
said.
the whole population, man?
Yeah, you said.
You just taken me example and
You said, bro. You said, bro.
Gentleman over here.
You said I am doing job. There are no time.
You are the brand ambassador of street food.
Sir, he said he have no time.
I'm saying eating street food is
And if you are eating one and week and you eat for taste and only for taste you ruin your whole body.
I'm just saying कि it's my self-awareness, man. कि if I am eating street food, it should be healthy. If I eat healthy food on street, it wouldn't affect my body.
What type of you eat healthy food?
You all.
Akash. Good morning, everyone. Sir, many vendors are using palm oil. So palm oil is a very harmful for our body. And he discussed about the labor. He hospitalized in the hospital. Then he have no money to treatment or further treatment, and they die also. What about it? And what about the health? Our health, sir. Because street food is also harmful for our body. Many people are hospitalized in the hospital and they are realized to do exercise and do not eat the street food and other type of the palm oil made food. But what about our health?
Okay, first of all, I want to say that what they say actually when we ask about the alternatives to if we don't have time or there is something that we cannot make our own food, so they say that you should not go to street food. You can go to hotels. In hilly areas, you can go to hotels because they have a certain standard of making. Okay, so first of all they say that you should make your own food wherever possible, and in case you are outside, you can go to hotels, don't go to street food. And they say that street food does not follow certification and all, whatever it is, but the hotels follow it. Okay, so tell me one thing, that banning completely anything is the solution to a problem. No. It is never. You say the food is unhygienic. Tell me one thing, the wheat that you are getting, the vegetables that you are getting, the fruits that you are getting in the market, the fruits and vegetables that you are getting from the market, from the vendors, are they hygienic? Don't they use injections and all? Tell me one thing. Everything in today's world, even the oil, even the vegetables, even the fruit, that are adulterated. It is your self-awareness that where you want to go, and you choose which vendor is good for you. Now you say that no, they are selling unhygienic fruits and they are using injections and all in the fruit. So I will not buy fruits from them. I'll start growing fruits. That is the solution. Never.
No.
The same thing. You are saying that the food outside is not good, not hygienic, and also I'll start preparing food myself every time. Is it possible that every time that you are saying that completely banning, that you go outside and you don't find any stall of food? Sometimes you are not in a position to make food. Sometimes you are ill. Sometimes you have to go somewhere.
Along with this, that is why she raised the point of hiring maid. The money you're spending.
Arey,
on
who,
9,000 rupees,
sir?
You can hire a maid of 1,000 rupees.
Hiring. Tell me one thing, that if you're hiring a maid, first of all you have to be there. No, sir, you cannot rely on the maid. You have to be there. Ask a housewife if a maid is working. If what? Sir, no. You can leave your child. You can leave your child with a maid and go to office and see on the CCTV camera.
No. I will give you the
cannot
perfect
do.
answer for that.
You cannot do, sir. It is not possible. Whenever you have to, you have to have a maid. You have to take care of that also. What kind of food she is buying from the market? Is she making in a hygienic environment or not? You cannot rely on it completely. Many people are doing private job. They are doing work from home. They hire maid. But instead of that also, the maid is not cooking food in a hygienic way. No, in the kitchen you have to do many things. It is not just about the food. You have to maintain the kitchen. You have to clean the kitchen. Why the maid should be concerned about you? That you should eat. Why the maid? She is not a mother. She is not a wife. Why maid will be concerned? Why maid will be concerned? Who can guarantee that she will make something? No. Who can guarantee that she will make something by washing everything clearly, by washing utensils? Even she can do the same thing because she is not your mother or sister. You cannot rely on that.
She is worried about you. And why she is worried about your health?
Now the answer.
Now, ma'am, first of all, you have said that even at home, you are not safe.
Yes.
If you are, so you are not safe anywhere.
That is what I'm saying, that
okay,
improve it, don't ban it.
Look. There's a saying that दूध में अगर मक्खी है ना तो हम पी नहीं सकते हैं. आप सामने से निकाल दें, we can drink it. But if that is there in front of us, we can't tolerate that. When you're talking about street food, so much of dirty conditions are there, unhygienic conditions are there that you can't tolerate to eat that or to drink water from there. And that will actually create a severe health problem to you. Now, when you're talking about maids, you said that you can't rely totally on maid. Making food or preparing food is a half an hour job for a person. It's a half an hour job. If you are, if you are working, it's a half an hour job, sir, for one person. It's up to you if you are just staring, it's up to you. But it's a half an hour job for any person and who is professional, that is only a half an hour job for a person. Any sort of job you are talking, any sort of job, if you are there, the maids are always there for you according to your convenience. If I have to leave my house at 9 o'clock and I can hire a maid at 7 o'clock, they will be there. There are many options because there are options, because there are so much unemployment and there are so many ladies who willingly to do some work in meantime and to earn money. And what you are talking about hygiene, you can replace them. If you think that they are not doing the work in a proper hygiene manner, you can replace that. But you can't replace the... If you are... Look, sir, I am getting... Again, I want to say one thing. I am getting what... I have heard from somewhere... Sir, I have heard from somewhere that this institute is providing a good education and good learning to the students. I came here, I saw something, okay, that is all correct. I'm getting something from here. But if, in case, you are not giving me the proper service, I will leave you. That's a simple thing. And every time you actually opt a correct option, it actually not possible for everyone. It's not, if you think that particular lady whom you rely on your health, because she is not your mother, she is not your wife, she is not your daughter, she is not your sister, so she can do anything in any manner, you can replace that. It's up to you, but you can't replace that street food. And again, when you are talking about street food, they are expensive, ma'am. They are expensive. Even if you are having a burger, that is of 25 rupees.
Why you are mistaking street food with a junk food, ma'am? Why?
Arey, you always eat bati chokha.
Sir, this is not.
Any employed people can be replaced if they are not giving good service.
Tell me, in both the cases, even if we are going to the street food or we are hiring someone to make our food, in both the cases, we are relying on somebody else for our food or not? Just tell me one thing.
No, but the ingredients are of your choice. While we are relying on street food, they actually add colors, they actually add outdated ingredients to add on the spices, to add on the taste of that material. ठीक है ना? You can't rely on those people, but you can rely on the person who is coming to your house, who is preparing a food which you have given or you have provided them to make. Don't say that you are free enough.
Street food you can say, add this, add that. You can order actually, right?
Actually, sir, we can say, but whatever they are having, we depend on them, sir.
The point is that they don't have a perfect alternative. In some conditions, we need to go outside, we need to have food, and for that, they don't have any alternative. They say that they go to hotels because they are certified, then they say no, don't go to hotels also because they can also use unhygienic food. And they don't have a perfect alternative because every time,
Look, when you are saying that there is a compulsion, if there is a situation when you are not there at your homes, meanwhile, someone actually collapsed in my house, then what should I do? Maybe I have to seek for other option. I will go to other people. Okay, please help me. I can't make food in my house because my so-and-so people, they are not in a situation and I have to look after her. That's the second sort of things. That is something which you created a situation.
it will come now. But this situation will come now. Then what you will do? You will go outside and you will go outside and you will and this situation will come and you will go outside and you will find. Just imagine
50 years back, ma'am, let me please give me an answer.
Sometimes now, but we need it now.
Nahin.
Then why to ban it?
Actually, ma'am, it is easy for us to, the things are easily available for us. That's why we are not seeking for the other option. 20 years back, where there are no street food, there is no kebab paratha stall, there is no chow mein stall, we don't know anything about
street food.
20 years back, there is no. Look, Tunde Kababi actually not 80 years, that is 180 years old. 180 years. Please correct your datas. But when you are talking about street food, when you are talking 50 years back, there are no street food like that, which are, and the, what sort of, what sort,
Sir, there is only one answer I am answer making of all of this. That please increase quality, don't quantity. Sir, please increase. Sir, those vendors who are selling. No. Sir, there is a question answer. Please, sir, there is a improvement. Whatever I want to say. Sir, listen. Panditji, listen to me.
Whenever we are going to outside, when we are very hungry, then we think about street food. Whenever we are at our room, we always prefer that we have to eat our handmade, and we didn't prefer that we have to eat from street food, because we almost of time we see that cart vendor are doing like this. What type of stupid act is this?
Like this. And our bhabhi, what does she do?
No. They have manner, sir. They have manner. They are educated and they know that what is the manner of cooking.
At home.
Yes.
Yes.
We will train them, sir.
We can't trust and rely on bhabhi actually.
We can.
Muskan jaisi wo wali Muskan. Wo wali Muskan is just.
Sir, these are exceptions. Exceptions are everywhere. Sir, exceptions are everywhere, sir. Exception are everywhere. Sir, we are saying exception are everywhere.
Exception is everywhere. Exception is everywhere.
Listen, please. Yes.
If you are in hilly area and there is only the non-veg is option, and if anybody is eating the base,
You cannot say
Exceptions, you said not every bhabhi is doing like that. So I'm saying that not every vendor is doing
music.
so okay. That's why we are promoting the FSSI certificate so that the quality come in the market. Quality come into the
it's not
market.
about bhabhi only. It's about Didi. It's about Ammi as well. They are compelled to make, injected food, adulterated food.
How can you say they are compelled? No, sir. It's not, they
Nowadays,
are not.
many modern Didiya and Bhabhiya, they are mixing what? Modern spices. हाँ, Rajdud masala, average masala. So the masala is creating masala actually.
We are talking about the street food, not talking about the house.
No, you homemade food you are promoting. He is promoting homemade food.
Who is going to market?
That's why I'm saying that it's so totally depend on your own awareness.
We are going to market, and what we want, we will purchase.
As what I am saying, man, it's totally depend on your own self-awareness. Eating healthy food is depend on your own awareness. Okay, what I have to eat, what to not.
So they are accepting like we should to aware what we need to eat. So what about the vendor who is not maintaining the hygiene? So you just want so it means you are promoting such kind of the people who are more concerned, the people who are eating such kind of material of the meals. They are go for the hospitals. So you just some kind of the way you are promoting. These are the items the vendor who are not managing the hygiene. There are exceptions are there. I am promoting the quality of food. It means it's not that we are promoting the quality of food. That's why we are giving the example of the hotels and the restaurant who
Quality
managing
of
them.
food cannot be found at home as well, na? That is the
Sir,
point.
I am saying,
Spices and all which are.
I am just giving.
In comparison of carpenter and our.
That's why I'm just asking one question. Give me a one food or one raw item which is totally naturally available nowadays.
Which is?
No, naturally available.
Naturally
There is
available.
There are the crop and the vegetable, whichever coming from the farmer side, they are using so many pesticides to inject their food. So how can you say that anything is not there is to eatable in that case? In that case, the homemade or anything is not eatable. Give me an example. Give me a single example. I can rely on that.
You can eat soaked grams, There are so many street vendors, they are selling soaked grams. That is also food. That is damn natural. That is damn natural. You can have that as well.
Daily you can consume that? Only single time or two times.
Today grams.
This is the concern of street food. Who is the health issues?
For you, the food that you ate made by Bhabhi, mixing so many spices is good.
It's your opinion.
It's not my opinion.
Not mine.
It's people's opinions actually, right?
No, it's not people's opinion. So many mothers are making.
And this Bhabhi to become smart.
They are believing on that.
This Bhabhi to become smart, she adds more masala. So that she could be appreciated in the house.
No, sir.
Exactly.
No.
To get more appreciation, this Bhabhi is adding more masalas. Exactly. You need to understand that.
My Bhabhi is not. My Bhabhi is not. And there are so many Bhabis are there who is not doing such things.
I'm sorry to disrespect Bhabhi here, but that's the reality. My own Didi as well, she adds so many masalas. Why? Because she wants to be appreciated in the house by the people that I made it. And this is damn delicious.
Okay.
And after few days, what happens? Sasuma is admitted. Why? Why Sasuma is admitted? Of course, because of this modern Bhabhi actually, right? You need to understand that. Our Didiya, our Bhabhiya are dangerous. They are creating masala with masala. Thank you very much.
Then what is the alternative?
How many? My point was. Sir, we are not safe at home. Sir, we are not safe at home.
Actually, when you eat the food in your home, you can live for 80 years. But if you eat the food outside, you can't live for more than 40 years. So that's the difference. So it's better to have food cooked by Bhabhi rather than the person who has unknown to you and
Sasuma is admitted. Sasuma is admitted. Ma'am, I'm worried about you now. Very soon you will also become Sasuma. Right? Then what will happen?
If our beautiful Bhabhi.
You guys are misusing the point.
No, sir, listen. So please, sir, if you are talking about the new Bhabhi, sir.
All right, listen to him. Yes.
Sir, all of you, sir, talking about the new Bhabi which are coming in new generation, new era, sir. If Bhabi is not aware for you, aware for masala and sir, any type of items, ingredient, sir. If Bhabi is not worried about your health, if Bhabi is not worried about your sir taste, then you will say that please Bhabi, please do less the masala in the food and you will reduce the masala, sir. You will say there is no issue.
And sir, you say?
This is our, sir, we are living in our family and this is our problem. Yeah, you can say and you will.
And you say
You can say that.
and
If Bhabi is loving too much you. Sir. No.
How beautifully he answered. You can ask that please Bhabi reduce the masala. Sir, the auntie, the uncle who are selling in the street, you can beautifully say, uncle, please do not add this. What is the problem, sir? You can ask for reducing.
but sir, they are
Guys,
using.
Yes, you're not getting the point. You're not getting the point. Rehan,
Sir,
no, he didn't speak. Let me talk to him. Sorry.
Vendors is already made in
MSG. Prepaid.
Nothing is
And
pre-made,
these
man.
are MSG.
No,
They
only
use
boiled
MSG.
things are there, right? Something which takes time, they actually make at home. Just like soaking the grams.
So many vendors are overcooked food they are offering to pupils. What about it?
Tell them, make a.
Exactly.
And sir, he said.
Okay, no problem. Rehan.
So many examples.
Rehan.
To search healthy food in street, it is like as to search a green leaves in Patjhad.
Right.
Because everything is adulterated, as I also mentioned that. In whatever we use in our kitchen, that is also adulterated. But it is better than the street food. We are not totally against street food, but I'm not saying that whatever we eat and whatever we consume, that's are totally beneficial for us, and that has nothing to lose for our health. If as I also mentioned that everything is adulterated, it means it is up to us what we choose and what we don't choose. So we should prefer. Firstly, we should prefer our homemade food. And someone told hilly areas. What about hilly areas? In compulsion, we can eat also poison. So we can also eat that things, because in compulsion, we can't die. With that times, if we not consume street food, that times we face many problems. So in compulsion, we can eat. That's all from my side. Thank you.
That's why now we are supporting street food in compulsion. In compulsion.
You are supporting the whole time, as you told, whole time. And how many persons who told?
Okay. Rehan, you're saying that in compulsion, right?
Yes.
Just like we take Numislide paracetamol for our health, it is in compulsion.
Yeah.
So talking about street food is taken in compulsion actually, right? Exactly. That is not fashion. They are talking about only the compulsion. They are talking about the compulsion of laborers. They are talking about the compulsion of students.
Many person pretended that they have no times. Sir, they are actually tell a lie, because everyone has time. Everyone has time, sir.
Yes, sir.
And they are telling a lie. And someone told, sir, if any students who are preparing for UPSC or an exam, that they have no times. That's why they lost the hair fall. That's why they grow their stomachs. Of course, that's why they face many diseases.
Sir, disease not come from only
And-
food.
And sir, everyone knows about Lalu Prasad Yadav. Whenever he go, any rally, anywhere, he used homemade food, sir. Really.
And what Nitin Gadkari?
What?
हाँ,
Sir,
Nitin
you
Gadkari.
you can see the Nitin
You
Gadkari.
can see, what is the problem?
You can see the Nitin Gadkari and you can see. Why not, sir? There are many problems, sir.
He doesn't have any problem.
Sir, why not?
He promotes street food, right? Exactly, he does. Huh? Nitin
Gadkari promote, not Lalu Prasad.
So he was talking about Lalu Prasad. I gave example of Nitin Gadkari.
So it's
कोई नहीं.